After the stock market plunged by nearly 50% from the tech bubble in 2000 to 2003, and then again from 2007 to 2009 by nearly 60% from the housing market bubble, many investors, particularly baby boomers, needed a new approach to investing for retirement. Unfortunately, despite these dramatic drops, many advisors and brokers were still advocating old stock market-based investment strategies, or they took the easy way out and invested their clients' hard-earned money in bond funds. Investing in individual fixed income securities was merely an afterthought for most advisors and brokers because they lacked the specialized training and expertise it takes to effectively implement and manage individual fixed income strategies. Sound Income Strategies, founded by David Scranton of Scranton Financial Group, Connecticut, is a Fort Lauderdale, Florida-based registered investment advisory firm that differs from most other registered investment advisory firms due to our fundamental expertise in the universe of income-generating savings and investment strategies. As a highly recognized stock market specialist who frequently shares his insights on CNBC, Bloomberg, Fox Business, and other financial outlets, David recognized the need to stop following the crowd and changed his business model to one he felt would better serve his clients and help protect their portfolios in the decades ahead. Scranton and other advisors specializing in income-generating strategies continue to help their clients build secure, dependable retirement plans, now and in the future, through the active management of individual bonds, preferred stocks, and other bond-like investments. We understand that no investment option is without some degree of risk, but the amount of risk your clients can afford to be taking differs drastically depending on their age and retirement goals. And as we all know, too much risk can be especially costly in the 10 years before and after retirement, as many unfortunate investors learned in 2003 and 2009, with the potential for another major market correction in the coming years being a concern of many investors. Baby boomers understand the onus is on them more than ever before to prepare financially for retirement and protect their assets. Sound Income Strategies puts a strong emphasis on client education and offers a way for pre-retirees and retirees seeking to enjoy retirement with dependable income, financial security, and greater peace of mind. We conduct thorough portfolio risk analysis to help protect against damaging losses. At the same time, our active management strategies help ensure the achievement of your clients' long-term financial goals. Help your clients enjoy their retirement years with financial security and greater peace of mind with Sound Income Strategies. For more information, visit our website at www.soundincomestrategies.com or tune in every Sunday at 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time to watch The Income Generation Show with host David J. Scranton on Newsmax TV.